using greater than or less than or equal to in each of the following. Here they have given some problems here. We have to fill either greater than or less than or equal to. Okay. So here minus 5. First one is minus 5, 3. So which is the greatest one? So the number line where you get this minus 5 here, here. So by not looking at this one also, you see here all the negative numbers are less than positive numbers only. Yes. By going to the left hand side, your value will decrease. By going to the right hand side, your value will increase. All the positive numbers are greater than negative numbers also. So blindly you can give the 0 and the negative number. Okay, 0 and the negative number. So while comparing to the negative numbers and 0, negative numbers are less than 0 only. Yes, all the negative numbers are less than 0 only. Yes, so you can be 0 is greater than negative numbers. Now see this one, minus 8, minus 14. Here we have two negative numbers. Suppose if you have two positive numbers, now you know that one. Okay, which is the bigger one, which is the greater one. Suppose if you have both negative numbers, what you have to do? Which bigger number have the negative sign? That is the smaller one. Okay, bigger numbers with the negative sign will be the less numbers. That means by going to the left hand side, your value will decrease here. Okay, your value will decrease. Decrease means these are the smaller numbers. Value will decrease here. Right. So by going on the left hand side, though your number will increase, if you have the negative sign, that numbers are the smaller numbers. Now see here, which number is the greater number here? 14. But if before 14 you have negative sign, so this is the smaller one. Understood? This is the smaller one, means minus 8 is the greater than minus 14. Okay? First check the number and after that check the sign there. Among 9 and 1, which is the greater one here? 9. Right? See, we have the negative sign. We have the negative sign on the before 9. So this is the smaller one. Understood? If you have negative sign before the bigger number, the number automatically will become the smaller one. Okay? Understood? Good. Now done. See the next question, 7th one. Write the following integers in ascending order. We have to write the given integers in ascending order. Ascending order means from the lowest number to the biggest number you have to write. Ascending order means from the lowest number to the biggest number. So first what they have given, these are the numbers they have given, and first we will write all the negative numbers together, and if you have 0 given, write the 0 and all the positive numbers. Okay? After that you will arrange it. Okay? Now see first what they have given here, 40 minus 7 minus 30 0 6 minus 2 and 30 they have given here. First write down all the negative numbers as it is, write down line by line. In the line what they have given, write down. Next you have 0. If you have 0, mention 0. Otherwise no need. Here after that start writing positive numbers. So 14 is there. Next positive will be 6 and the next one will be 30. Now arrange the negative numbers first. So from the smaller number, so first you have to write the negative numbers. These are the smaller numbers. After that 0, after that arrange positive numbers in ascending order. So write down ascending order. So in this ascending order, first minus 7, minus 30, minus 2. So among these negative numbers also, what is the bigger number? Bigger number means first look at the number, after that sign. Bigger number with the negative sign. Go with that one first. What is that one? Minus 30. After that, check for the next bigger number with the negative sign. That is minus 7. After that, next bigger number with the negative sign. And after that, if you have any 0, place 0 here. And now arrange the positive numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from the smaller number. What is the smallest number in the positive numbers? 6. 6 after 14. 14 after 30. Like that, arrange in ascending order. Okay. So see the next one, you will get clarity. So first, write down the given numbers once again. These are the numbers. First, write all the negative numbers one side. So here first negative number is 28 na? 28 minus 15, and next where you get minus 19, and after that minus 6. In this we have no 0, so no need to write, and start writing all the positive numbers. 37, and next 7, and next will be 23. That's all. Now arrange in ascending order. Ascending order will be, first arrange the negative numbers in ascending order. After that arrange the positive numbers in ascending order. First arrange the negative numbers. Among the negative numbers, the bigger number with the negative sign, write down first. What is the bigger number with the negative sign here? Minus 28. Minus 28, comma. Next, what is the bigger number here with the negative sign? Minus 19. And after this, among minus 15, minus 16, among these two, which is the bigger one here with the negative sign? Minus 15. So this is the, and next the remaining 6 here. And after that, arrange the positive numbers in the ascending order. First ascending order means from the smaller number. So 7, and next smaller will be 23, and next smaller will be 37 here. Understood? This is the ascending order of the given numbers. Okay? Good. Let down. Next question. Write the following integers in descending order. We have to write the given numbers in descending order. Descending order means from the bigger number to the smaller number. Okay? From the bigger number to the smaller number. So bigger number means among the integers, so which is the bigger numbers? Positive numbers are the bigger numbers. Okay, after positive numbers, if you have 0, you have to mention 0. Otherwise, go for the negative numbers. Arrange negative numbers in descending order. Okay, first, the given numbers are, write down once again, minus 16, minus 21, 8, 0, minus 7, 14. Okay, these are the given numbers. We have to write in descending order. Descending order means from the bigger to smaller. So, bigger number means you get the positive numbers first. Right? Positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. So mention first all the positive numbers. 0 is there, na? Positive numbers also greater than 0. So lay that down. First you write down positive numbers first. Separately write down. So this is minus 0 and you have 14. After that, if you have any 0, mention that 0 here. This is a 14. Now see. Now, so as it is, write down all the negative numbers. Afterwards, you will arrange them. Okay? Now, arrange in descending order. Descending order. So first, the bigger numbers you have to write. Among that also, we have to go for positive numbers only. Arrange positive numbers in descending order. In the positive numbers 8 and 14, which is the bigger one here? 14 is the bigger one. 14, next you get here 8. After that, if you have here 0, now mention that 0. Now go for negative numbers. Write the negative numbers in descending order. Descending order means from the bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? Smaller number with the negative sign. What is the smaller number here with the negative sign? Minus 7. So mention minus 7. Next smaller number with the negative sign? Minus 16. And the last we have to mention minus 21. Understood? Now see the next one. First write down the given numbers. Minus 50. All the positive numbers first, and after that I have mentioned the negative numbers. Now we have to write the descending order. Write down. Write the descending order here. So descending order is from the bigger number now. So we have written positive numbers. Among the positive numbers also, which is the bigger one here? 62. Mention that one, 62. Next bigger number will be 53. And next we have to write 60. Now go for the negative numbers. Among the negative numbers, which is the bigger one here? The smaller number with the negative sign. Smaller number is which one? -8. Next one, -53. And next smaller number with the negative sign will be -82. And next which one here? -100. Okay. So this is the descending order of the given numbers here. Okay. Ascending order means first you have to mention the negative numbers. Then if you have 0, mention the 0 and write down the positive numbers in ascending order. Descending order means first you have to mention the positive numbers. If you have 0, mention the 0 and next go for negative numbers. Okay. Understood? No doubt? So the next question, represent each of the following on the number line. So we have to, first one is all integers from -5 to 3. We have to represent the given numbers on the number line. We have to show all the numbers on the number line. What is the first one? All integers we have to write from -5 to 3. -5 to 3, you have to write all the integers. Okay, -5 to 3. So -5, first draw the number line and locate your numbers first. -5 is here. From -5 means we have to include this one also. From -5 to 3 up to here. Okay, so up to here, all the numbers you have to write. -5 to 3, all the numbers you have to locate here. Okay, -5 to 3. This is the -5, and after this, -3, and we have -2, -1, 0, and 1, 2. So all the numbers you have to mention here. Write down numbers from integers from -2 to -5 to 3 here. Or again mention all the numbers. They have also to show on the number line only. But for your clear understanding, I want you to write again there. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Including -5, -3 you have to write. Or from -5 to 3 they have asked. Between numbers if they have mentioned, don't write -5, this 3 here. We have to exclude that numbers and you have to write in between numbers. Here they have asked you to write all the numbers from -5 to 3. So we have to include -5 and 3 also. Understood? Now down. The next one, all negative integers in this problem will represent each of the following on the number line. This one only, next one. So this is second one. All negative integers greater than -6. All negative integers greater than -6. -6 also is a negative number only. You have to write all the negative numbers only. Don't write the positives. You have to write only negative numbers that is greater than -6. Now write down the number line first and indicate all the numbers. Negative integers. I have taken some negative integers, 0 positive integers. So where is your -6? Your number is here. Your number is here -6. We have to write negative integers only greater than -6. So observe your number line. Greater than -6 means all numbers you get here. All positives are greater than negative numbers only. 0 also greater than negative numbers only. And before whatever the numbers you get, all the negative numbers also greater than the given number only. Right? Yes, up to here, all positive numbers only. Here, before 0 you will get the negative numbers. Here observe the question, all negative numbers greater than -6. So exclude, don't forget about 0 and positive numbers. You have to write the only negative integers. All negative integers greater than -6. Greater than means before number 6, before whatever number you get with the negative sign, all are greater only. So you have to write all the negatives only. Don't write the positives and 0. So up to here only. Greater than -6. So number here. So this greater than -6, all the negative numbers you have to indicate here. So this is first negative number, and this is the second negative number, and this is the third negative number, and this is the fourth one, and this is the fifth. Okay. So now write down